This is Irontrader. It is Sunday night. Now, the futures opened up here, about an hour and 15 minutes ago. So, as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, we have a full week for both of them, along with the market. So, we want to watch the API number here on Tuesday at 4:30 and the EIA number on 10:30 on Wednesday for crude oil and natural gas. It'll be 10:30 for Netty, and then on Friday at 1 o'clock, we have the rig count. This video is for information purposes only. Not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, really, nothing really has changed here. Okay, I mean, on Sunday, basically what we have is an inside day here, okay, which basically means today's candle so far is in between the highs and lows of the previous day, which have been Fridays. Now, again, if we go lower, what you want to do is look at Friday's low. Always look at the previous day's low. So you're looking at 86.15, okay? And then right below that, you have 85.83. That is going to be very, very key support. And then we have this candle right here that I've always been posting. This, look at the high, that's 84.89. That would be the retest, okay? Now, again, if that's lost, then we look to this candle here. You're looking at 83.69. We have the bottom of this candle, 83.46. And then we can come down here to your 82.47, which basically is your 21 SMA, okay? So basically, watch Friday's low. Watch this key 8 SMA here, and then watch this breakout candle. That was 84.89. Right now, you know, on your MACD, the cross is still going strong here. Your RSI, you're very, very overbought conditions. You're sitting right at 70 here, but you know, basically you can go sideways on this too. But if it starts to fall off here, like you did right here, well, then we have this kind of a scenario going on here, okay? So we just got to see if it's going to keep holding that 70 mark here or if it's going to come right on down. Now, let's just look at the upside. So there's the key level right there. It's sitting at 88.08. Now, again, if you can close above, not just intraday, close above, then what we do is we start looking to these candles right here, okay? So you want to look right there at 88.68. We want to look this candle here. You're looking at 89.24. You have 89.84, and then we have 90.10. Now, this 90.10 is going to be very, very crucial because you can see the top of here, the top, the top, the top. This is all a strong resistance level, so that with 90.10 is going to be the next level if you can close above your key price channel at 88.08. Now, again, if you can get above that, then we just start looking at this candle here. So you're looking at a 91.35 here. Okay, we have you got 92.17, you have 92.87, and then your big retest is 93.74. So you go upside. If you can close above this key level here, 88.08, you have two levels. This 90 level here, and then your 93.74 level. Those have been the two upside levels. And on the downside, just watch Friday's low, watch this 8, and then watch this key candle here, and then watch that 21. Always very good. Like obviously, if that's lost, then we can come down here all the way to your 50-day, and then your price channel there is sitting at 77.59, and then your 200 right below it at 76.35. Let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly. Okay, your monthly chart here still looking very, very bullish. You're above all your key SMAs except for, well, you're right now, the real-time price time right now is sitting at 86.99. This is 86.82, so you're right there. You're hanging right there. Now, you really need just a really clear close above this thing here. Then you can go higher like we had here. See this closes above here? And then you can ride that right on up. Now, if this 8 SMA can curl back up here and go above, then we can start going to that 90 level and then that 93.74 level. Okay, here on your weekly chart here, well, as I say, we have your key support level here is looking here at your 85.88. And then what you want to do here is then we look, which is right in line here with this top of this candle here. You want to look at 84.89. And then this 83.53 is always going to be in play here. And then we have your 83.42, which is your basically your 8 SMA here. But now you can see where this candle here went up to 83.53. This went higher, but it closed below. Okay, so that was that nice double top. fell down, but it held, the 8-day and your 50-day and your 21-day here on a closing basis for the week. And then that was your buy opportunity to go right on up. Now, we got to see how this all shakes out here, but just watch this key 100 SMA here, 85.88, and then right below this is this 83.42. Now, this 8-day is still very much intact, but again, if this is lost and this curls over, then we have to start looking here lower at 78.34, and then you have 76.66. That's your 21 SMA. This is very, very big time in here. If that's lost, then you got 68.91. But let's not worry about that first. We just take one level at a time. So just keep watch at 100 and that 8 SMA. Very, very key here on your weekly chart. All right, let's see what Natty Gas is doing. Okay, here we have Natty Gas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Well, you've been selling right off here, but you put in a nice double bottom here, ran up, but look where it went. See, right into that 200-day. This is why you trade the charts. Right into that 2 hundo there and pull them back. So now we've got sideways action here. So what you want to do here for key support here is watch that 50 SMA 2.569, and then what we can do is we just follow these candles right below here. Okay, you got 2.55, and then you got a big retest down here at 2.50. Now, I've always been pointing out this candle here. This is that 2.45, the bottom of the candle there. Very, very key support level. Over here, it went lower, but then it put that green candle in there. Sweet, nice double bottom. That told you to go long. However, look at this. See? 2.865. What do we have here? 2.86. Double top tells me to sell. Okay, so always watch them double bottoms, double tops. Those are very, very good. Very, very makes it easy trades here. So now, basically, this has to hold this 2.50 here on the downside. If it does, if it doesn't, then you're going to come down to this 2.45, and then 2.42 is your big retest here. Now, here on the upside, well, you want to watch this 100, 2.58, and then basically your 2.6, but really it needs to get above this 2.658, roughly 2.66. That is going to be key. If you can get above that, you reverse all of this here, and then we just start layering right back up, hopefully for a retest of 2.86. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a week. Okay, you basically look how these SMAs are getting squashed. Okay, it's 2.538. Okay, 2.63 coming right on down. Okay, so that is going to be your key resistance here. It's going to be right there, 2.637, and then your key support sitting at 2.53. That is on your weekly chart. But basically, we just have a sideways action here. If you can get higher, then we come up to this 2.865, and then this is a key level here, 2.87. And there's your breakout right there at 3.027. A close above 3.042, that's your target. And then 3.45, and then this is 3.76 here on your 200. Here on your daily chart here, well, it rolled up pretty good. This was a nice double bottom here. You see, there's that 2.45, there was that 2.42. Close above the price channel and really nice rally up. However, when it gets up here, you always got to look to the left of the chart. And what do you see here? See, right there. There's your double top there again. See, that's where she sold off. So let's just look here. You always want to watch the previous day's candle. So watch that 2.57 here. That was Friday's. And then we come down here, watch this 100 SMA here. You're looking at 2.50. And then we could retest, these levels here. Now, on the upside, well, what you got to do is you want to look at this 21 estimate here first, okay? So you want to look at, let's see what we can focus that in at, all right? 2.63, that is going to be your key level here, and then your 50 and your 8-day sitting right there at that 2.65. So again, if you can get above this candle right here, okay, to sit in basically 2.65, say 2.66, then we can come to the top of this candle here, okay, that's sitting at 2.708. That's your gap, and then look at this right here, the bottom, 2.73. That's your fill, okay? So again, close above these SMAs here, roughly 2.66. Then we come here, then we come look to the bottom there, and then we have your big retest there at 2.865, okay? Well, I tell you what, I'll have more for you on the crude and the natural gas here before 8 o'clock on Monday, and we'll get you all set up, rolling for the day. All right, thanks for watching.